How to delete stickers on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can delete stickers on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Snapchat application in your mobile device. After that, head over to your chat in order to delete your sticker. Now you can open up any one of your chat. Once you're on the chat, you have to tap on the sticker icon right here. After that, head towards the sticker that you have created on Snapchat. So these are some of the stickers that I have created. Now in order to delete that, all you have to do is select the sticker that you want to delete and tap and hold on it. After that, on your interface, you will see this kind of options where you can delete your sticker. Simply tap on delete, and with that your sticker will be deleted. So that's the way to delete stickers on Snapchat, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.